The overall goal of this MALDI-TOF MS tutorial is to teach users about sample preparation, acquisition, and analysis of polymers during characterization by MALDI-TOF MS.
This method can help answer key questions in the polymer characterization field, such as polymer molecular weight, dispersity, and in-group identity. The main advantage of this technique is that it allows for determination of homopolymer end groups.
First, prepare a series of solutions by mixing previously prepared matrix, analyte, and cation solutions while varying the relative proportions of the components such that 9 unique sample mixtures are made. For this experiment, combine 15 microliters of poly-L-lactide solution with 15 microliters of 2,5-dihydroxybenzoic acid solution and 1 microliter of sodium trifluoroacetate solution. Pipette 1 microliter of each solution mixture onto an individual sample well on a MALDI target plate. Add the samples incrementally in small portions to prevent the sample from flowing out of the sample well, allowing each aliquot to evaporate to dryness before adding additional sample. To initiate data acquisition, first, open the data acquisition software Flex Control. Eject the platform to enable the loading of the target plate by pressing the Eject button. Gently place the target plate with the loaded calibrant and analyte samples on the platform in the appropriate orientation. Next, use the acquisition software to inject the target plate on the platform by pressing the Eject button again. Select an appropriate data acquisition method by pressing File and choosing Select Method. Before acquiring data,